Sir, Abdullah.
బోర్డు కనబడుతుందమ్మా?
కనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
అందరికి వెళ్ళే ముందు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లు ఇచ్చారు. మన కొంతమంది దగ్గర ఉండొచ్చు, కొంతమంది దగ్గర ఉండకపోవచ్చు. సెకండ్ థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం రీడ్ చేయమ్మా. Two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 613. తెలుసు సార్, రికార్డ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి సార్. టూ కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ find two consecutive positive integer sum of whose square is 613. ఒకసారి క్వశ్చన్ చూసుకోండి. Consecutive means positive integers x, x plus 1. x, x plus 1 మాత్రం మనం తీసుకుంటాం. అయితే 2x, 2x plus 1 కూడా మనం తీసుకోవచ్చు. 2x, 2x plus 1 కూడా మనం కన్సిడర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. By this problem, let us consider two consecutive positive integer is x, x plus 1. Solution: consider two consecutive positive integer x and x plus 1. X and x plus 1. ఏమిచ్చాడు? Sum of whose square is, that is sum and square. By the data, వాయిస్ వినపడుతుందా? By the data, x square plus x plus 1 whole square equals to 613. X square is x square plus, by using a plus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square?
A square plus b square plus 2ab.
A square plus b square plus 2ab. A is x square plus 1 square means 1 plus 2ab, 2x into 1, 2x equals to 613. X square, 2x square, x square plus x square, x square plus x square is
2x square, sir.
2x square plus 2x square plus 2x plus 1. Carry forwarding 613 to the left hand side is minus 13. 613. 613 minus 613 plus 1. 2x square plus 2x minus
12, sir.
612. 612. 2 is even and also 2 is also even and 612 is even. So common with 2. Common with 2 common తీసామంటే 2 into x square plus x minus 306 equals to 0. Minus 306 equals to 0. So 2 ni abak carry forward to the right hand side is 0 by 2 is 0. X square plus x minus 306 equals to 0. Now let us find the roots of the x square plus x minus 306. X square plus x minus 306. Roots ఎలా find out చేస్తాం? Implies x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 equals to 0. 18 into 17. 18 17 just or 17 18 just. Calculate yourself. Calculate change.
Three not six, sir.
306. So 18x minus 17x is x. 18x minus 17x is x. So by these two terms, what the common thing is x is common. So x into x plus 18. And these two terms minus 17x minus 306 is common term is minus 17. Minus 17 into x plus 18 equals to 0. So both common with 1 plus 18 into x minus 17 equals to 0. That is x plus 18 equals to 0. X minus 17 equals to 0. X equals to minus 18. X equals to 17. So negative value cannot be considered. Let x is the positive value. X is
17.
positive value is 17. So consecutive positive integers is, so the two positive integers same అవుతాయి ఇప్పుడు x equals to 17, x plus 1 equals to 17 plus 1 equals to 18. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
Network problem endamma. X equals to 17, x plus 1 equals to 17 plus 1 equals to 18.
18.
Okay. Next problem. And fourth one. The altitude of right triangle is 7 centimeters less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters, find other two sides. Note down. The problem is page number 109, problem 4. Given the altitude of right triangle, 7 centimeters less than base. So x, let's consider x minus 7, and hypotenuse is 13 centimeters. Hypotenuse is 13 centimeters. Then find other two sides. That is, you రెండు sides మనం find out చేయాలి. Ichina problem ఏంటంటే 13, hypotenuse is 13, and then find the other two sides. ఏం చేసుకుంటాం? The length of the right angle triangle. Length of the right angle triangle, first of all, x is considered x already given less than 7 of the base breadth. Let the breadth of the base of right angle triangle. Solution. Let the breadth of the base of right triangle is x. Then its altitude is x minus 7. By the problem ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? మాకు కొంచెం కనబట్టలేదు చెప్పాలి కదమ్మా, కొంచెం కనబట్టలేదు చెప్పాలి కదా. అంటే ఎవరు క్లాస్ వింటలేదా, ఏమి రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు, అది కొంచెం by the problem ఏమి ఇచ్చారమ్మా? By the problem, hypotenuse is
13 centimeters, sir.
13 centimeters. 13 centimeters. By using Pythagoras theorem, x minus 7 whole square plus x square equals to 13 square. Pythagoras theorem is opposite whole square plus adjacent whole square equals to hypotenuse whole square. AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. Okay, x minus 7 whole square. X minus 7 whole square is
X square minus 7 square, sir.
x square.
Minus 7 square.
X minus 7 whole square by using a minus b whole square. By using a minus b
A
whole
minus B
square.
whole square.
A minus b whole square is
A
A
square
square
minus
minus
3AB plus B square.
a square
A square minus
B square.
once again a square
A square plus B square minus 2AB.
a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square is
Minus
x
2ab.
square plus b square
X
is
square
7
7
square
square.
minus 2 into x
2 into 7x.
plus x square equals to 30 square is
169, sir.
169.
169, sir.
169.
169, sir.
X square plus 7 square is
49.
49.
Sir.
Just 14. 14x plus x square equals to 169. X square plus x square 2x square minus 14x
Square.
plus 49 minus 169 equals to 0. That is plus 49 minus 169. Carry forwarding 169 to the left hand side. And next step is 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is plus 49
Minus
minus
120, sir. Minus 120.
minus 120. So 2 is even number, 14 also even number, 120 also even number. Common with 2, 2 into x square minus 7x minus 60 equals to 0. Dividing both sides by 2, otherwise 2 is converted to the right hand side. X square minus 7x minus 60 equals to 0. Now you can find the roots of the given equation. Anyone? Find the roots. How to find the roots? Implies x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equals to 0. Minus 12 into 5 equals to minus 12 minus 60. Minus 12 plus 5 equals to
Yes, minus 17.
-7.
-7. -7. That is P plus Q equals to B and PQ equals to C. మనం P plus Q చేస్తే మనకు B రావాలి, PQ చేస్తే C రావాలి. సో ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చింది. These two terms, what is the common thing is X. So X into X minus 12 plus common with 5, X minus 12 equals to 0. X minus 12 into X plus 5 equals to 0. And what is the X value? X value ఎంతమ్మా? What is the X value? X minus 12 equals to 0. X plus 5 equals to 0. X equals to
12, sir.
12. X equals to
-5.
-5. So the length cannot consider with negative value. The length cannot consider with negative values. So ఇక్కడ X equals to -5 పెడితే it's not considered. Minus value cannot be considered. That's why the length is X equals to 12. So the base of right triangle right triangle is X equals to 12 and altitude is is 12 minus 7 equals to 5. Any doubts? Doubts? Any doubts? Next topic is solution of quadratic equation by completing the square method. Solution of quadratic equation. Solution of quadratic equation by completing square method. That is given equation, that is given equation x square plus 4x minus 4 equals to 0. For example, How to factorize? ఎలా roots అనేది ఎలా find out చేస్తాం? Here a equals to, by using the standard form of the quadratic equation, a equals to 1, b equals to 4, c equals to -4. Right?
Sir.
A equals to 1, b equals to 4, and c equals to
-4.
-4. -4, okay. That is implies x square plus 4x equals to 4. For example, x square plus 4x equals to 4. X square plus 2x into 2 equals to 4. Right, sir? 4 ఎలా స్ప్లిట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు? 2 2s గా స్ప్లిట్ చేసుకోవచ్చా అమ్మా? 4 ని 2 2s గా స్ప్లిట్ చేసుకోవచ్చా?
Yes, sir.
Okay, L రాసాము x square plus 4x equals to 4 is x square plus 2 into x into 2. 2 into x into 2. And again, we can add in both sides. By 2 square. Adding both sides by 2 square, that is x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square equals to 4 plus 2 square. Four plus 2 square. X square 2 square, 2ab. You can observe that x plus 2 whole square, it can be written as x plus b whole square. That is x plus 2 whole square. X square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square formula is x square a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? Oh no? A square
Sir.
plus 2ab plus b square. So x square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to 4 plus 4. X plus 2 whole square equals to 8. X plus 2 whole square equals to 8. Now you can convert square to the right hand side is, so square is equal to plus or minus root 8. Plus or minus root 8. Plus or minus root 8. Implies x plus 2 equals to plus or minus root 4 into 2. X plus 2 equals to root 4 is root 4 root 2. X plus 2 plus or minus 2 root 2. Ayin rastanamma. Implies x plus 2 equals to plus or minus 2 root 2 is x equals to minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 2. Minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 2, and then x value is x equals to minus 2 plus 2 root 2. X equals to minus 2 root 2. One time is positive and another time is negative term. X equals to minus 2 plus 2 root 2. X equals to minus 2 root 2. which is the completing square method. Any doubts? Any doubts? Of today's class. Any doubts until raise చేయండి. ఇన్ని డౌట్స్ ఉంటే రేస్ చేయండి అమ్మ. ఎగ్జామ్ ఆల్రెడీ రేపు ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంటుంది, ఎగ్జామ్ రాయాల్సి ఉందమ్మా. లాస్ట్ వీక్ కూడా మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ చాలా తక్కువ అటెండెన్స్ వచ్చింది ఎగ్జామ్ కి. సో ఎగ్జామ్ ఫుల్ అటెండెన్స్ వచ్చేలా చూడండి.